fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel English for Mr. Hamid. In this channel you will find different types of English lecture on different topics in a unique way. If you are new and first time watching this video, so please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. Because we are living in a modern age where newer and newer things are discovering day by day. Looking at the same scenario, I have also selected the video with modern concept. So for learning modern concept, watch this video till end. So let's start the video. Today we are going to talk about a very important part of speech, which is an adjective. It's our fifth part of speech and is frequently used in different sentences of grammar. First of all, we talk about the pronunciation of this word. Mostly people pronounce it in a wrong way. People say it's an adjective, but it's wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is adjective. Here D is silent and the correct word is adjective. After this, we'll talk about the definition of this word. I have written here two definitions of adjective. The first definition says a name of qualitative noun is called adjective. This first definition, you will find this definition in any grammar book of English. You will find this definition in any grammar book readily because it's also called a book definition. It's also called a general definition. So that's why I have written here, because it's a very easy definition. A name of qualitative noun is called adjective. It's a general definition or a book definition. But second definition, everything that describes the noun is called adjective. This definition is a modern concept of adjective. This is the latest definition. You will not find this definition in any book of grammar. This definition says every single word which gives about a single information about noun is called an adjective. So let us take an example. I have written two examples. First example, Ali is a small boy. In this example, boy is a noun and small is the word which is giving about information about the boy. Boy is tall, boy is small, etc. So here small is considered as an adjective. In the second example, she is a pretty girl. In this sentence, girl is a noun and pretty is a word which is telling about the girl, about the noun, that whether she is small, tall, bad, etc. So here pretty is considered as an adjective in this example. So both examples, small and pretty, both words show that these are working as an adjective. So that's the second part of the adjective, which is type of adjective. If you study an English grammar book, you will find different types of adjective. For example, proper adjective, nominative adjective, or quantitative adjective. But we do not use these forms properly. The latest types of adjective, according to Oxford Dictionary of London, there are only two types of adjective. First of all, born adjective, and second is acting adjective. So born adjective, these words which are always used an adjective. You cannot use these words as a noun, as a pronoun, as a verb, etc. These words always use an adjective. This is the specialty of these words, that they cannot be used of some other words. For example, pretty, good, black, white. These words are always used as an adjective. Second, acting adjective. These words which are not a real adjective, but we get them work. We act them work as an adjectives. For example, broken chair. In this example, in this sentence, chair is a noun and broken is the word which is telling about the chair, that chair is broken, chair is revolving, or etc. Here, broken is also a third form of verb. You can make three forms from this word: break, broke, broken. So here, it's also a third form word. But here in this scenario, in this sentence, broken is denoting the noun. So here it's working as an adjective. Second, cleaning brush. Brush is a noun and cleaning is the word which is telling about the brush, that brush is a cleaning brush or dusting brush or etc. So clean is also a verb. For example, clean, clean, clean. You can make three forms from this word. So these words are playing multiple role in a sentence. So every word, these words, basically these are not adjective, but we get them working as an adjective. So these are the types of adjective which are latest for you according to Oxford Dictionary of London. These types, you cannot find these types in English grammar. So this was the today's video. I hope you will understand this perfectly. If you have any question about regarding this topic about English, you can ask me in the comment section. I will give you answer. And if you like this video, so please share and like and subscribe this channel, and also spread the video, because spreading the knowledge is a sadaqah jariyah and a sunnah of our beloved Holy Prophet. My next video will come very soon on the topic of Become English Part 1. So till next video, Khuda Hafiz.